Parker, I have thought so hard about this day and what it all means. What does it mean to be married, to commit to a lifetime with someone? We both know I am the most indecisive person, but one thing I know for sure is my love for you is never ending. For as long as I can remember, I have prayed for you, a man that is strong, kind, and willing to go the extra mile for me and everyone around him. You have exceeded my prayer, and you are so much more than those three things. You are, and forever will be, my overpass in a rainstorm. You want to do it? Yes.